That hidden hero is your fuel injector system. It's the heart of your engine's performance, delivering the perfect spray of fuel into each cylinder with microscopic precision. Every time you hit the gas, these injectors create the ideal balance of air and fuel, giving your car that smooth acceleration you love. But when even one injector gets dirty or clogged, the entire system suffers. You start burning more fuel, losing power, and feeling those little jerks in acceleration. Over time, carbon buildup and poor fuel quality turn that once reliable hero into your car's worst enemy. The fix? Regular cleaning, quality fuel, and timely maintenance. Take care of your injectors, and they'll reward you with power, performance, and efficiency you can actually feel. Because sometimes, the smallest parts make the biggest difference. Subscribe and discover more hidden heroes under your hood.